Codex Alimentarius Commission is the body which sets the global food standards, and India has been an active participant in this for many decades now, ever since the Codex Alimentarius Commission was set up. The importance of this meeting, which is being held here, is that this is the regional coordinating committee of Codex for Asia. So this brings together all the Asian countries in order to identify which are the common areas of interest as far as food standards and food trade is concerned, and also what are the challenges for us to meet global standards and to address the issues that come out of trade and non-tariff barriers. So India is the coordinator of CC Asia right now, and therefore it is being hosted in India. We are happy that we've got excellent participation, and the agenda really is to address issues around regional standards and on challenges to public health and food safety, as well as to trade.
What about
the 24 countries and about 100 delegates are present here. This is apart from the India delegation and the representatives of the international organizations. हम लोग जो उत्पादन करते हैं वो कई देशों में कॉमन भी है, और दूसरा हम एक दूसरे के साथ भी काफ़ी ट्रेड करते हैं. तो इसमें क्या समस्याएं आ रही हैं, किस प्रकार से एट द बॉर्डर पॉइंट जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं इसमें कैसे यूनिफॉर्मिटी ला सकते हैं, बॉर्डर प्रैक्टिस जिसको बोलते हैं, इसमें हम लोग कैसे यूनिफॉर्मिटी ले आ सकते हैं, इस दिशा में हम लोग काम करेंगे. दूसरी चीज़ है कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग की. कई देशों में जो रेगुलेटर हैं वो नए बने हुए हैं, उनके पास सुविधा भी कम है. तो जो कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग और ट्रेनिंग की जो सुविधाएं हैं, ये सब कभी हम एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. The Food Safety and Standards Authority over the last 1 decade has done a huge amount of work. Our standards, and we have been able to notify standards on all categories of food products, on additives, on packaging, and we have several codes of practices. These are at global standards.